This screencast is going to show you how to use conferences to pre-record a lesson for your students. So I'm going to click on conferences here. I'm going to create a new conference. So make up a name for it. Okay. If I create a time and a date, like maybe when I want the students to view it, I could add that there. You could leave it blank if you'd like. I hit create. I'm going to start the conference. Once it loads, I need it to have my microphone. Click allow. Always need to do my echo test. So I'll click yes. Now, since I'm going to pre-record this and I'm not going to have anyone else in it, I can go ahead and click on this and close it because it doesn't matter what other users or anyone doing a chat because I'm the only one here. So I'm going to click that. Now, if I want to use a Google Slides for my background while I'm teaching, I could go up to Google Slides, and it needs to come in a PDF format from Slides. So I'll download as a PDF document. You could see down here that it's downloading. Okay, now I'm going to go back up to Schoology. Now down here, there's a plus sign. I want to upload a presentation. Click here to browse files. I just downloaded it, so it's going to be in my download folder. I'm going to hit open and upload. And now it's going to use my Google Slides as my backgrounds while I'm teaching my lesson. Okay. Now, since I'm going to pre-record this lesson, I don't have live students. I'm going to hit start recording, hit yes, and then everything I'm saying right now is going to be recorded for my students. If you want them to see you at the same time as they're going through the slides, you can share your webcam. And then the students will see you as well as your slides. Of course, your slides are going to get a bit smaller. To go to your next slide, you're just going to click on each slide and you can explain whatever you want your students to learn. If at some point you don't want your face to be up there anymore, you could stop sharing the webcam. It'll make everything bigger. Okay. Then as soon as I'm finished, I'm going to pause my recording. Okay. I'm done with my whole lesson. I don't need anything else. So I'm going to just go up here and I'm going to close that browser window. Now, here I'm going to end my conference. Now, the one thing that's a little tricky is it doesn't save automatically. It needs time to render your video. So when I click on completed here, it's going to have the video that I just made, but the recording's not going to be here yet. It's going to take a few minutes for that recording to render. So unfortunately, it's not like instant, like you can view in a different program, but we'll come back later and we'll see the progress that's been made. Your video does take a little while to record. So like an hour or so later, you'll be able to click on completed, and then you could click on play to be able to watch your video. This would give the student 7 days to go back and watch that lesson. So it gives them a little bit of time to go back and be able to review your lesson.